So I've been looking forward to visiting WH Lead here in Towcester for some months. This is a satellite company to White House Machine Tools and now the sole distributor of the Leadwell product here in the UK. Now everybody that watches our channel will have seen for many years we've covered Leadwell products. They're popular general job shop machines. If you're thinking vertical machining centre, general purpose CNC lathes, turning centres, even vertical lathes. There is quite a collective of machines within the portfolio, all now sold and supported from the guys here at WH Lead. And for those of you that own Leadwell machines, you probably would have purchased them from Lead Precision Machine Tools, a company that employed Mike Heapy, Steve Wright and also Brendan Parrott, guys that are still very much involved in this business here. So if you are talking to WH Lead about machines, you're likely to be talking to one of those three. Now the advantages of WH Lead to me are quite obvious standing here in front of this unit. There are actually 3 machines here at the moment that are available from stock, but there are more coming here and on the water. Now previously it wasn't as easy to see a Leadwell machine in action as it is now, and also the location here in Towcester means they're very centrally located. In fact, there are customers here today witnessing machines cutting, and that's really what you want to see as an engineer. You want to see a machine in action before you purchase it. Now here today they have a 5-axis machine, they have 2 3-axis machining centres, one of which has a 4th axis unit on it. But there are also deals currently, discounted deals on CNC lathes and turning centres, which can be delivered here to the UK quickly from stock in Italy. And it was also good to speak to Steve today and learn that what the differences are he sees between the company now and when he was selling for Lead Precision Machine Tools before. Distinct advantages, certainly with the synergy between the satellite company White House Machine Tool. There's some shared resource, which means that when it comes to maybe putting these machines through their paces, maybe doing cutting trials, maybe trying to learn different strategies, they can obviously adopt those thanks to the skill set of the guys from White House Machine Tools. And when I look at the 2 different businesses, I look at White House Machine Tools and here the satellite company WH Lead, and the products that they offer. The Leadwell machine, it can be classed in some instances as an entry-level product. It's a general purpose machine, very popular within industry in this country. Hundreds and hundreds of machines sold and installed and working on a daily basis. Compare that to what White House Machine Tools offer. They're talking to manufacturers who are working for demanding or working in demanding environments for demanding customers where downtime is absolutely essential to avoid. Engineering support is critical and turnkey solutions are the manner of most days of the week. It's easy to see how these 2 businesses, albeit different, can work very well in unison.